What you said?
I don't eat vagina.
So lucky me, Mr. New City does not eat vagina.
Let me tell you the real story.
Yeah.
He ate my vagina 3 times.
On the first night.
1 time on the first night, and then he stuck it in.
Then they stuck it in. That's crazy.
And then Tyler came home from DP Dough.
And then Tyler came up for DV. Son, did you hear that?
That's crazy.
I got witnesses. I got witnesses. Look at this. Look.
You ate my
he's
fucking
arguing
pussy.
Now he's angry.
Why would I lie about eating your pussy?
Reality show.
Lie about eating it.
I don't eat pussy. It's nasty.
Yeah, okay.
Oh. Slim Jim is in the building in the reality show, y'all. Slim Jim.
Yeah.
Right to a Slim Jim. That nigga off the commercial and all that. Slim Jim. Mild Slim Jim. Spicy. He is crazy.
The moral story is, but the moral story is this: guys, just don't eat pussy. Don't do that. Don't eat pussy. Remember, you put in your
He
face.
was working that tongue. He's like,
Yeah, this is crazy girlfriend. Little Wendy's.
no, it's Little Debbie's.
Oh, she's Little Debbie right now.
I have my pigtails. Shut off.
What happened?
This needs to be shut
Now
off.
you got.
You're not there on the camera.
You back on.
Nah,
That's the situation.
Now I gotta edit it.